Across the world's oceans, modern marine centers carefully study and manage shark populations. Australia's marine researchers closely monitor shark populations and ocean ecosystems. South Africa is home to advanced marine research. This work is focused on protecting ocean ecosystems. Modern marine centers use advanced technology to study and protect shark populations. New Zealand's marine researchers study sharks and protect fragile ocean ecosystems. The blue shark is known for its streamlined body and deep ocean habitat. The shortfin mako is one of the fastest sharks in the ocean. The blacktip shark is recognized by the dark tips on its fins. The sandbar shark is a powerful coastal shark found in warm ocean waters. The porbeagle is a powerful shark found in cold and temperate oceans. Premium shark leather creates an unmistakable luxury automotive interior. Every steering wheel receives a precise handcrafted finish.
Every seat is crafted for exceptional luxury and comfort.
Even the smallest interior details receive a luxury finish. Premium leather transforms every door panel into a luxury detail.
Germany is known for advanced automotive craftsmanship and precision engineering.
Italian craftsmanship is renowned for creating sophisticated luxury automotive interiors.
Japanese precision engineering brings advanced technology to luxury automotive interiors.
Welcome to the Halal factory, where precision creates automotive luxury. Approved materials arrive for careful inspection.
Every leather sheet passes strict quality inspection.
The leather is thoroughly cleaned before processing. Controlled drying prepares the leather for the next stage. Conditioning gives the leather flexibility and a smooth finish. Precision calibration creates perfectly uniform leather. Precision cutting creates perfect interior patterns. Every leather piece is aligned with perfect precision. Premium foam is bonded beneath the leather for comfort. Precision stitching creates flawless luxury seat panels. Each seat panel is fitted over its precision-shaped cushion. seat back is assembled with precision. The dashboard receives its premium leather finish. The steering wheel receives a precise leather finish. Premium leather transforms each door panel. The center console receives its premium leather finish. Advanced comfort systems are carefully installed inside the seats. The floor receives its final premium interior finish. Advanced electronics are integrated into the luxury interior. Every luxury component is assembled into one remarkable interior. Every detail is inspected before the vehicle leaves the factory. Final detailing reveals the full luxury finish. Customers experience the craftsmanship and luxury firsthand. Every detail is captured to showcase its luxury craftsmanship. A spotless factory prepares for the next production cycle. Regular maintenance keeps every machine performing perfectly. Every production area passes one final inspection. The finished luxury interior is ready for worldwide delivery.
From premium leather to automotive luxury, the journey ends here.